Hey guys, this is DJ down here at Quaid Harley-Davidson, Loma Linda, I-10 freeway. We're looking here at a 2014, yes I said 14, Street Glide. This was part of our rental fleet, so it is now for sale. Has your high output 103 6-speed tranny, your new bag lids. We do have the quick release sissy bar and rack on the back, so you can take that off and leave it on whenever you want. Stock exhaust. Has your run turn brake signals on your back lights. Come along here, you got your 6-gallon tank. You have your 4.3 button, pusher buttons for your radio, not the touch. And you have your 19-inch front tire. That is your Enforcer rims on front and back. Again, it's a 103 6-speed tranny. The bike does have 11,853 miles on it in the Big Blue Pearl. Again, down here at Quaid Harley-Davidson, Loma Linda off the I-10 freeway. Come on down and talk to me. My name's DJ. See you guys soon.